Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I transform myself into the little doll Annabelle. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch all these slays that I will be bringing to this channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm coming to you with a Halloween tutorial where I will be turning myself into Annabelle. I have already started to block out my brows, so if you want to see how I'm going to transform myself from this until the little doll Annabelle, then please continue watching. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you comment on this video down below once you finish watching this transformation. Let's get into this look. So for foundation today, I just want to let you guys know I'm going to turn myself to a porcelain doll, so therefore I will be a little bit lighter than my normal color. I'm using MaryKay's TiMEWISE Matte Wear Foundation in the shade Ivory. So now I'm going to take some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to apply that all over my face just to set that foundation. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild's Coffin Break eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using that to create the lines in my face to make me appear to be doll-like. So I'm going to start off with this transition shade here. Yeah, I'm doing Annabelle and I heard something, so I'm like freaking out over here. So here I'm just going in and creating the lines in my face. And I am looking at a reference picture. And I just want to blend that shadow out. And you just want to simply blend this out. Now I'm just working on my eye sockets, getting those drawn out, sketched out for you. And you just want to keep blending. So now I'm going to start going in with actual shadow and creating the eye look. I'm taking that black transition from that Coffin Break palette from Wet n Wild's and I'm simply smoking out my eye. And I'm using a NYX number 16 brush to make this look smoky. And you want to just blend that out. So Annabelle has these big eyes, so I'm going to go in with a white liner underneath my waterline, and I'm going to line that. So the liner that I used was the L.A. Girl Glide On liner in the shade Whiten. I'm going to take this smudger brush that I had earlier where I was using the browns, and I'm going to go in with some black because I want it to be darker to add some contrast. So now I'm going to take some liner, L.A. Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner, and I'm going to go underneath where I put the white. Creepy, right? Yeah, I know. I put that white liner on and the ring light is reflecting off of it, and I am basically blind. So I'm creating this look blind. I'm now using a e.l.f. one of their new Precise Beautifully 202 brushes. Harsh lines, you see. No worries, I'm gonna blend it all back out. And she has these creepy little brows. Morphe's Blackout, and I'm going to go across the top of my lash line. I'm going to draw me some lashes. And I believe I need to go in as well and add just a light line of liner on the outside of that black and brown. Next up, I will be using the On the Rise NYX mascara. I'm going to now apply some blush, but it's not going to be blush. I'm going to take a pink from Wildfire Cosmetics Carnival Palette. I'm going to take this pink right here and put on the apples of my cheeks with a Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply some lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to be using Boujeë Cosmetics No Basic 30, that's right, 30mm lashes. And I'm going to apply those. I'm going to next move on to lips. I'm going to take this black eyeliner. I'm going to outline my lips. For my lipstick of choice, I'm going to be grabbing the colored Raine. What is this? Cherry Blossom. While my lipstick is still wet, and I'm going to work that liner that I put on the outside into my lipstick. Now I'm going to be going in with some highlighter and highlighting underneath these white areas that you see, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Holographic number 50, which is a white highlighter, because I want to get that porcelain doll effect. Now I'm going to finish up this face and body. My face is about complete, so now we're going to go in and I'm going to apply some more. Let's see, I may still have some on here. I think I'm pretty good as far as my neck and shoulders where they connect. However, I am going to go in with the Painted Cosmetics Paint Me kit, and I'm going to paint on my clothing. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this white. This is a process, y'all. This is a process. Annabelle has this little red ribbon that goes around her, the collar of her dress. So I'm going to take, and I'm a little nervous, but hey, only way you get better is if you go in with it. So I'm going to go in with some brown. Just a little bit. Or I can just blend that out from there. Yeah, I'm just going to blend it out from there. Because it is late, y'all. It is, oh, it's 12:32 in the morning. Now I'm going to be going in and shading in and creating the ruffles for the dress for her collar. I will also go in and add some red later on after this process is complete. Now I'm going to go in with her ribbon. She has this bright red ribbon. I'm using the same exact brush, and I'm going to create her ribbon across here. Because you know Annabelle turns her head and spins around. So I want to make that little shadow that my head can spin around. Now I'm going to be taking some gray along with some white, blending those two shades together, creating more shadow underneath the black. So for blood, I'm going to be using this fake blood gel. I'm going to be applying it with a Q-tip. Oh, it's so nasty, y'all. And I need to put this underneath my eye. But I can't get this on my lashes. Here I am continuing to apply some blood. I will be applying it on my face, lip, and neck area. I decided not to apply foundation onto my ears, so when I apply my wig at the end, you will see that my ears are my normal color. However, it does not take away from the look. And there you have it. I am your Annabelle. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.